Welcome friends, this is yet another tutorial in the series of HTML. If you have missed any of the previous tutorial, we advise you to look at them. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to assign global style sheets. Global style sheet is applied to all the elements in a web page. So style sheets are used to reduce the amount of styling needed to style a particular element. Once we provide global style sheet, every element in a web page is styled according to that. So there is no need to reinvent the wheel every time. So let's start. Start with the HTML tag, then start the head. Now in the head, define the style. Style type equal to text CSS. Defines that the upcoming document is a cascading style sheet document. Then for every paragraph element we define font size 14 points and color red, and then close the style element. So inside the head is the heart of our globally style sheets, and then we close the head. Here we write down the element whom we want to style and then provide the CSS specifications for it. Now inside the body, when we write any paragraph, it will be styled according to the style we provided above. Let's write this is a style paragraph, then end it, and the body, and then the HTML, and then save the file. When we preview this file, the paragraph will be styled as the font having the size 14 points and its font color being red. So let's preview it. Here the font size is 14 and it is red in color. So it was about giving globally style sheets in the HTML. Thank you.